Students, today I am going to explain you how to determine a molecular formula, and we will solve some numericals based on empirical formula and the molecular formula. Let us see what is molecular formula. It is the formula which expresses the actual number of atoms of different elements in one molecule of the compound. It expresses the actual number of atoms. How can we find the molecular formula? Molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into N. Here N is the factor. How can we find N? N, we can find N by dividing molecular weight by empirical formula weight. Let us see with this question. A compound is found to possess oxygen 61.32%, sulfur 11.15%, hydrogen 4.88%, zinc 22.65%. The relative molecular mass of the compound is 287 AMU. We have to find the molecular formula of the compound. Here we have to assume that all the hydrogen is present as water of crystallization. Atomic mass of zinc is 65. We know the atomic mass of oxygen, sulfur and hydrogen. We will make the table again. Elements, percentage composition, atomic mass, atomic ratio and simplest ratio. Here elements are oxygen, sulfur, hydrogen and zinc. Percentage composition of oxygen is 61.32. Atomic mass of sulfur is 16. So we will get the atomic ratio on dividing 61.32 by 16, that is percentage composition by atomic mass. We will get 3.83. Similarly, for sulfur it is 0.35. For hydrogen it is 4.88. For zinc it is 0.35. Now we have to find the simplest ratio. For simplest ratio, we will find the factor which one is the smallest in the different atomic ratio. Here it is 3.83, 0.35, 4.88 and 0.35. So 0.35 is the smallest. So we will take 0.35 as reference and divide 3.83 by 0.35. We get 10.9. On rounding it is 11. Similarly for sulfur it is 1. For hydrogen it is 13.9. So on rounding it is 14. For zinc it is 1. So there are 11 atoms of oxygen, 1 atom of sulfur, 14 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of zinc. So empirical formula of the compound is ZnSO11H14. We will write Zn the metal first. Now empirical formula mass of this compound, it is 287. We have to find the factor N. We will find the factor N by dividing relative molecular mass by empirical formula mass. It is 287 divided by 287. Relative molecular mass is 287. It is given, and empirical formula mass we found 287. So N is equal to 1. Now molecular formula of this compound, empirical formula into N. Empirical formula is ZnSO11H14. N is 1. So it is ZnSO11H14. But hydrogen is present as water of crystallization. Here 14 atoms of hydrogen. So we will write the molecular formula of the compound ZnSO4.7H2O. H2O, it is water of crystallization. In one molecule of water there are 2 hydrogen atoms and we have to consume 14 hydrogen atom. So we will take 7. So here is 14 hydrogen atom, but here is also 7 oxygen atom. So we will write ZnSO4, 4 oxygen and 7 H2O. Let us see the next question. A gaseous hydrocarbon contains 82.76% of carbon. It is given that its vapor density is 29. We have to find its molecular formula. Here the compound is hydrocarbon. We know that hydrocarbon must contain carbon and hydrogen, but here only the percentage of carbon is given, so we will find the percentage of hydrogen. 100 minus 82.76, as whole there is 100, carbon is 82.76, so percentage of hydrogen is 17.24. Again we will make the table: element, percentage composition, atomic mass, atomic ratio and simplest ratio. On calculation we will find the simplest ratio of carbon is 2 and simplest ratio of hydrogen is 2.5, but here 2.5 is not a whole number, so we will multiply it by 2 and we get 5. When we multiply 2.5 by 2, we will also multiply the first one 1 by 2, it comes 2 and it comes 5. So empirical formula is C2H5. Now empirical formula mass, it is 29 on calculation. Now we will find the relative molecular mass. Relative molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. Here vapor density is given 29. So we multiply 2 by 29 and we get 58. Now it is time to find N. N will be 58 by 29. We get 2. So we can find the molecular formula. Molecular formula is equal to empirical formula multiplied by N. Empirical formula is C2H5 multiplied by N. Then we will get C4H10. This is the molecular formula of the hydrocarbon. Let us see the next question. If the empirical formula of two compounds is CH and their vapor densities are 13 and 39 respectively, we have to find the molecular formula. We know empirical formula of the compound is CH as it is given in the question. So empirical formula mass is 13 for the first compound. Relative molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. Vapor density is 13, so it becomes 26. Now N will be 26 divided by 13, the empirical formula mass. We get 2. Molecular formula, it is empirical formula into factor N. Empirical formula is CH and N is 2, so the formula is C2H2. Similarly for the second compound, relative molecular mass, it is 2 into vapor density, we get 78. N, it will be 6, and molecular formula, empirical formula into N, empirical formula is CH and N is 6, so it becomes C6H6. I think the topic is clear. You are able to find the molecular formula as well as the empirical formula. Here is some work for you. If you find this video helpful, then don't miss to like it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice study.